Ready to dive headfirst into the exciting world of crypto? Let's get you signed up for Crypto.com in just a few easy steps. First, head over to the Crypto.com website or download the Crypto.com app from your app store. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices. Once the app is installed and opened, or you're on a website, tap or click the sign up button. It's usually prominently displayed on the home screen. Now, enter your email address in a designated field. Make sure you use an email address you have easy access to, as you'll need it for verification. You'll also be asked if you have a referral code. If you do, enter it here to potentially earn some sign-up rewards. If not, you can leave it blank. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions and privacy notice by ticking the corresponding boxes. Now, check your email inbox for a verification email from Crypto.com. It might take a few minutes to arrive. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. This is a crucial step to activate your account. You'll then be prompted to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number, including the country code, and tap Continue. Crypto.com will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Enter the code in the app to verify your number. Finally, you'll need to complete identity verification. This is a standard security measure. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload a photo of your ID, such as a passport or driver's license. And that's it. Once your identity is verified, you're all set to explore the exciting world of Crypto.com. Happy trading!